Now what we want to do is show how AI is revolutionizing things. Datahaven now has a classification tool that can monitor certain inboxes or network folders. And when files come in, we can automatically identify what type of file it is using AI. Let's look into that a little bit deeper. So here on your screen, you can see I've got three files that have been captured in the system. These were emailed in and automatically uploaded to the classification tool. We can see that there are two packing slips and one vendor invoice. Let's start off by processing these packing slips. On the right-hand side, you can see an overview of the packing slip. Below it, we see that AI has identified this as a packing slip. We've identified the purchase order number that it's going to be linked to. And I'm going to go ahead and process this, and it will attach it to the PO and move it out of workflow. So let's go ahead and process these two packing slips. And next we have a vendor invoice. Now, a lot of times when vendor invoices come in, it may be a single PDF that has multiple invoices in it. Datahaven's AI tool can identify that and put together a list of where it thinks the page break should be. In this case, we've got a 2-page invoice, and you can see Datahaven has split it accordingly. And one of the great things about AI is even though these invoices look very similar, Datahaven's AI tool was able to still identify that they are separate invoices. So we're going to go ahead and split this. Once it's split, the AI tool is going to process it. Now that these have been processed, we can go in and look on the right-hand side where Datahaven's identified this as a vendor invoice for a purchase order. We're showing the actual reference, and we're indicating that this invoice is now going to be routed into our AI AP automation tool. Now that we processed the 4 documents, 2 of which were support documents, which have been stored against the relevant PO, they've been named and archived against the purchase order. We can also do that with other types of support documents. So Datahaven's AI tool also can process certificates of analysis, spec sheets, pretty much any file type. If you'd like more information, please reach out to the Datahaven team. We'd be happy to show you a deep dive into the software and learn about your requirements.